Your faces again. And it's good to see young students, young blood in here. And of course, the other dynamic students of AB English, you are the cream of the crop. No? My task today is to inspire you now, to continue with what you have started. Because during our time, we literally abused the freedom that we have. Freedom in literature. We abused everything, extracted everything in our minds. Yung batch namin, I remember from the poems of Ma'am Howard to short stories to novels, name it. Pagdadaanan ng mga first year. But the experience was different. It was overwhelming experience. And it was also pinagsamang hirap at pagod. That's why it's a sweet graduation for all of us. Just like you, I walk. Minsan-minsan sumasakay pag in a hurry, habang 5 pesos, right? Yes. 6 pesos na, tumaas na. Tumaas na rin kasi yung petroleum. So, it's a long walk. Totally for 5 years. I graduated 5 years. Totally siguro dumating ako ng bago. But the thing is, pinagsabay yung trabaho. I'm sure marami tayo dito. Tuloy. Sino ba yung pinagsasabay yung trabaho at pag-aaral? Wala! Very lucky. Very lucky. So, I was studying at the same time I was working. So, my teachers were Ma'am Howard, Professor Larry, and their faces also sila Ma'am Nelly, si Betty. Ayan, minsan, my work shift is at 6 in the evening, up to 10 o'clock in the evening. So it's a 4-hour shift. After school, diretso agad sa station. I worked there for 7 years. I worked for 7 years as a DJ. And being an AB English student at the same time helps me a lot. Bakit? Kasi it's an all English station. Hindi medyo hirap mag-Tagalog yung station ko. Tapos dito sa school, challenge kami nila mag-inasal. So, ano ba yung iiwanan niyo dito sa eskwelahan? Challenge kami. So, what I learned from outside, I get these ideas inside, and then suddenly nagugulat na lang sila Ma'am Sir na nagbabago na yung strategy ng teaching. Nagbabago na yung strategy ng pakikipag-usap. Talking with your classmates. So yung time namin, basically, pinabayaan kami ng mga teachers namin na i-explore what's in our minds. To discover more things. Yun yung naging challenge nila sa amin. We had poetry in concert. We had literature, lit awards. I can remember it very well. We had we had an activity and it's all fun, lahat ng masaya. We had sponsors. I can remember that very well. Those were good memories. So, what I learned now is that it's hindi lang pala siya sa ngayon ng napakatindi yung competition. It's not just studies. Of course, it's very important. You need to go out. Go out of the school, meet people, meet whoever you want to. Don't be afraid to meet people. This will be somehow help you somehow develop your life. Go out. What I did, I went out of the school, meet people, meet ko yung station manager ng ABS-CBN, and then I met the owner of ACLC College. So at the peak of my career as a DJ, 7 years, sabi ko, enough na to. I had enough of radio. So I stopped. When I graduated, nag-stop na ako as a DJ. So I became a DJ, I became a program manager, became a station manager, then that's the peak. Where else to go? It's down. So I have to stop. I have to change. I have to shift. I teach. Naging teacher ako. Naging admission officer. I go out. I go field. And then I met hundreds of people. And then I get to get their numbers. We exchange numbers. We interact. We contact people. We constantly text each other. And then there were opportunities coming in. So that's why I met the station manager of ABS-CBN. He said, why don't you try? So, since Dexter Ganibe, I don't know if you know him, left for Jensen to Manila, TZMM. So I said, okay, I want to try this. So, from ACLC, being the marketing manager and mission officer, so went out, then bumalik pa ako as a DJ. My shift was 4 o'clock in the morning, 6, 4 to 8 o'clock in the morning. And then at 8 o'clock, I have to go to school to teach again. And after that, for 3 months, sabi ni ABS-CBN, okay, why not there's a position here, you qualify, you apply, and then that's the time na naging reporter ako. Politics in ABS-CBN, many were not able to accept the fact that ganun na yung takbo niya. 3 months ka pa lang sa ABS, bigla ka naging anchor, reporter. So parang ganun na yung nangyari. But then I never stopped. I never stopped facing those challenges. I faced them all. And then I said, so I proved to them na kaya kong gawin to, I can work it out. I can do TV Patrol newscast, I can do TV Magandang Umaga, Soxojan newscast, I can do national news. I'm sure you've seen the news earlier, or the other days. Say, it's a multi-platform, because if you're reporting in Manny Pacquiao, TV Patrol Local will have that story. You have TV Patrol National. You have script for Bandila. You have script for ANC. You have script for Ibabalita. Maybe ABS-CBN News.com. Sometimes you don't sleep at all. Sleep for an hour and a half. Like that. Kaya niyo bang gawin yun? Kinaya ko yun. Because yung mga pinagdaanan ko dito sa MSU. Because I extracted all opportunities, all possibilities with the help of my professors. Nakaya ko siya. Kumbaga, tinest ka to the limit. You were tested to the limit. Kaya nga, medyo konting problema lang yun. Wala ka pa photocopy, that's not a problem. It's a test for you to find a way, what to do. Pinagdaanan din namin yan. Ano nagagawa ng parang? Because you have friends around. You can ask for help, you can ask from teachers if you want, which is most of the time. Yeah, so kinaya na. That's why, sabi ni Sir, nandiyan ka na sa Tugatog ng Tagumpay. So sabi nila, baka nga magpamanila ka na. There are offers. ANC is getting a lot of good reporters from regional. But syempre, I'm married, I have 2 kids, so I have to stay here. But there are more opportunities coming because ABS-CBN is opening 5 new channels, and there are a lot of opportunities, especially now that the technology is overwhelming. I'm sure sa time ninyo, mas maraming opportunity na magbubukas para sa lahat ng mga AB English students. Mind you, you get all, basta lang, you explore nyo lang. Halimbawa, example, poetry. Sa poetry nyo, madali na lang mag-research, di ba? Hindi na lang, just type it in. Andun na yung analysis, ma'am. Andun na yung mga kailangan nyo. Pero, strict yan si ma'am. Nag-Facebook din ho yan. Internet din ho yan. Alam niya kung nabasa niyo yung story o hindi. It's the best thing to do is, you have the material, you read it, internalize, and then imagine. It's the secret. My favorite is The Count of Monte Cristo.
Wow.
It's one of my favorite. Alam mo, isi-share ko ito. So, kasi ako, working ako, so I don't have time to read that much. So what I do, confess ko na naman. What I did was, ang ginawa ko noon, yung pinuhala, pinilin sa internet. Pero, habang nakasakay ako sa jeep, nagbabasa ako, binabasa ko siya. Kasi exam na. Binabasa ko siya. Take time to read. Napakahalagang magbasa. So, hindi pwede nabasa mo, ito yung analysis niya. Halata kayo masyado. Huwag masyadong halata. Magbasa. Very important is you read, you understand. There are contextual clues naman maintindihan mo naman yun. It's very important to read. Tapos Well, I can't stay long because I have newscast at TV Patron just in 2 hours and counting. What I'm going to leave you is like this one. Good English means good jobs. Opportunities for you just right ahead. If you have good English, you have good jobs ahead. At syempre, hindi pwedeng nahiyain tayo. You have to face people. Don't afraid to face people. Meet people. Talk to them. You get more information. The best way is you ask questions because when you ask, you get knowledge, you get information. Diba? Yun ang trabaho ng reporter. Siya, bakit ba siya tanong kayo? Reporter kami. Kaya nga, asking questions is in our veins. Bakit ba tanong ka namin? Because once you ask questions, you get more information. That's how it works. In real life, it's not just studies. You go out, meet people, talk to them, get ideas, have it in your, put it in your life. Kasi kanya-kanya tayong template. Walang exact template. So they have a good template, you have yours, put it all together, have it work for you. And then suddenly, you're up there. So, syempre dapat values pa rin tayo. Matuto tayong magpasalamat. Thankful tayo sa mga teachers natin. And don't forget, good English means good jobs, right?
Yes.
I'll see you guys on TV. Salamat po.